What's going on, my mighty fine people? On Thursday, we are currently on the way to 5K. So tell a family member, friend to go ahead and join me on the Money Squad. Y'all already know how we do things. It's brick by brick. Shout out to the homie Shoesupsleevesdown for hitting that 1K. If y'all don't know who he is, I put his description in below. Y'all can go check him out. Tell him congratulations on hitting that 1K. So he should be monetized pretty soon. Shout out to the fam, PMKICKZ, 313 Retro Queen. We're trying to get her to 1K next. So go, if y'all haven't checked out the sis, go check her out. Click on the link below. And shout out to the bro, MCFLYKOF. He trying to hit that 2K before the end of the year respectively. So go click on his channel as well. We also currently in the season 3 of Who Has the Heat. We got a banger on deck this week. Cadillac Jackson, hashtag empty the clip versus Forgiving Souls, hashtag the Soul Reaper. So gonna be a great time. It's gonna be on my channel. Check it out, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You feel me? Now into this review. You know I do kids shoes, women's shoes, men's shoes, all types of shoes. I don't do this review in this shoe before I ship these out to my niece for Christmas. It's been hot as hell here. I'm sorry, no shade to people who it's cold, but it's been extremely hot, hotter than usual. Let's get into this review. As you can see, it's a teeny weeny, itsy bitsy cute box. As you can see, Jordan 1 mid, suggested retail price $50 on base day 40, 20%. I think it's $32. Official colorway white, rose gold black, 10C. So my niece, she gonna be pretty clean. They even got the RF code and that 3D thing, a 4D I should say, on the box scanner. So you can see the mini Jordan logo on the box, and we're gonna do a mini Alabama Slammer. Bam, a mini. Look at that. That is cute. So cute. Turn it around. So cutie cute. She gonna be clean. Look at that underneath. All white bottom. You already know these jokers gonna be dirty after one wear. But like we always say, shoes are meant to be worn. You got on the toe. You got like a nylon type material, rose gold, white laces, nylon Jumpman on the tongue. Coming on the side. Look at that. Got some pretty good tumble rumble on these joints. It's got this swoosh, and you got the Air Jordan on the side. She gonna be lit. On the back, she got the pull tab in case she needs to get her shoes on. Gonna be very dope. Got it like a nylon all the way around. Then on the media side, pretty much the same. So it's just a rose gold and white shoe. So she gonna be pretty clean in my opinion. As we come around, let's go in the inside. Even got the RF code in here. If you need 10C, make sure your shoes. So I just wanted to show you the real quick video. No intro, no outro. Thanks everybody for checking out all my other videos and chopping up with me. So in a little meter, cute shoe out of 5, I give it a 4.9 out of 5. Reasonable, decent shoe. Is white, but that's okay. It's made for her to do her thing. It's for Christmas. You guys let me know what you think in the comment suggestion below. Don't forget the thumbs up, like, subscribe. You feel me? Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.